Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Dazzling Daisy and today I will be sharing with you the process on how to verify your TIN or tax identification number online. To get started, let's head over to the official website of the Bureau of Internal Revenue and we can find it at www.bir.gov.ph or just click the link on my description box and you will be redirected to their website. Once you're on the BIR website, take a look at the bottom right corner and you'll see the chatbot. Click on the chatbot icon to initiate the process, and the chatbot will prompt you to select your preferred language. Choose the language you're comfortable with, then proceed. These are the assistance the chatbot Ravi provides. It includes TIN validation, TIN inquiry, RDO finder, e-complaint, general inquiries, and e-appointment. Since we're here to verify our TIN number, let's select TIN validation. Just click View, then you'll be asked to enter necessary details such as your TIN number. And there's no need to use hyphens and dash. Next to enter is your first name, middle name, and if you don't have a middle name, just leave it blank. Next is your last name, then select your gender and enter your birthday. Once you've entered all the details, click Submit. And there you have it! The result of TIN validation or verification is out and my TIN is verified and registered under my name. And a quick reminder, if you have specific concerns or need further assistance, BIR agents are only available to attend to your queries from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST from Mondays to Fridays excluding holiday, non-working days, and work suspension. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to validate or verify a TIN online through the BIR website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!